Hello everyone and welcome to week 4 Introduction to Digital Devices, CEIS114. I'm Professor Halsey. In Module 4 we continue our study of digital foundations. I think you're really going to like this week. Lesson 1 starts us off with state machines, which is just like your washing machine. It goes into a different state depending on where you set it. So that's a perfect example of a state machine. It goes for different states as it executes the task that you dialed it in to do. And then we look at digital ICs, microcontrollers, microprocessors, and field programmable gate arrays. And this is where the fun starts. Everything that's microprocessor controlled now in one block. I could really spend like months just talking about everything in this area, but it's fun-filled and all packed in here in one lesson for you. So looking forward to that as well. And then we dive into embedded systems more intently and look at some actual motor control and stepper motors and the design of the circuits and how they work together. So that part's going to be enjoyable as well. So I hope you like that. In our course project this week, you want to make sure and use the deliverable that's given for the assignment. So when you come in here on the course project page, the first link is to the instructions, and then the second one is our template deliverable, and you need to submit this for grading. All right. And some fun facts for this week that I wanted to point out were in the area of checking for internships. If you're liking what you're doing here these couple of weeks and using the walkway and this type of system and building things and putting things together, embedded systems may be for you. So check out some internships. You notice there's a ton of them here in my area. I'm close to Atlanta, so that's probably why I have so many. But they're all over the place, and feel free to look in your area and see what kind of internships you can find there. It's never too early to get started. Another thing I wanted to mention was a blog entry here on Digi for 10 real-life examples of embedded systems, and I'm not going to go through it, but I am going to recommend that you check it out. So I'll post the link to this with the video when I send it out. Thank you, and have a great week 4.